What kind of baby eggs are these?
Are they snowbirds? What kind of
baby dinosaur?
Woo! I love your birthday cake.
Thanks.
Good job. What kind of cake is it?
It's a Chinese cake.
Oh, what is, wow. Like for the Chinese New Year?
Yeah.
Cool.
Because tomorrow's the Chinese year.
That's so exciting. It's the year of the ox.
Mom, Jesse, watch out.
Wait, Emma, do this one.
Watch out, Jess.
Here it comes.
Oh.
Here it comes.
Let's play snowball fight.
Here's what it did. It made me almost.
Snowball fight!
My feet, come on, Dad.
No!
Other side.
Ready?
This is a good hideout. Okay, I'm in here.
Okay, it's not gonna get it.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, you won't break that.
Yeah, that's what I
Good job. High five. That was close.
I thought that was a snowball.
No. Should I lick it off?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh no! What are you doing?
breaking the ice I almost slipped on.
Yeah.
Jesse,
What?
Mommy can take care of your eggs. Like, can you help me break some of the ice?
I can take care of my eggs.
Yeah.
Don't let them roll away.
Should I sit on them?
No, not.
Oh, we're not that kind of bird. Just gonna watch these eggs.
Gotta break the ice. See?
Oh, you got more eggs?
Jesse,
Ah! Oh God! That one's fine. It's fine. Your eggs are fine.
I would love it if you could play not right next to all these rocks.
I know, right?
If we could find like anywhere else to run around.
Here, you know what's a perfect nest? The fireplace over there. Oh. Ooh, you saved it.
Here, should I put some sticks so that people know it's a nest like on the side?
Yeah, that would be cute. Alright, I got more sticks. Ooh. Can't we break these?
Yeah. But you can't break these ones, they're too hard.
Yeah, don't, those are like plants. Alright, let me put these in here like that. How's that? What kind of baby eggs are these?
Are they Are they snowbirds?
They're baby birds.
What kind of?
They're baby dinosaurs.
I thought it would be snowbirds. Like whenever we play Feather Family on Roblox, we usually pretend we're snowbirds by coloring ourselves blue.
Oh, that's so cute. War cry.
I was thinking this could be another. What are they called?
Eggs?
No, not eggs. Those like things that have dumplings.
Oh, you're making dumplings? You are cooking over here.
These are already good, and these are the ones that aren't cooked. If she calls them eggs, I'm gonna call them dumplings.
Oh, okay. I gotcha. These are the finished dumplings. And those are...
Not finished dumplings. And this is how you pick them up.
It's perfect.
The bottom of this is heating up.
Okay.
Oh no!
You breaking dumplings?
Yeah. Nobody will notice. That's multiplying.
He's a really good dumpling maker. Look at all those dumplings.
Yeah, it's 5, but now it's 4.
Emma, follow me.
Hold on, I'm trying to get our dumplings. Oh my god, Dad.
Follow me, Mom.
All right. Oh, that was a tree. What are you doing? You make a pretty good snow angel out here. You make a snow angel? I'll pick you up.
Mom,
Yeah?
can you make a circle right there?
Yeah?
Thank you. Do it.
Okay. I'm gonna use my feet. How's this?
And good.
Okay. You hopping from circle to circle?
Can you put me in the back?
You're so strange. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh, there's a dumpling store. Should we go get some?
Yeah.
All right, let's go get some.
Hello. Do you want heated dumplings or non-heated dumplings? Dad has a
Snow chunk on his head.
there you go.
I'm Lincoln on Daddy's back, Mom.
Mommy.
Emma, come on the back.
I think we have another customer. Jessie.
I would like to buy some dumplings. Those look pretty delicious.
Which one do you want?
Oh, the littlest ones. I want 3.
Hello.
There's the rude shot of the eggs.
Hello.
Here's 1,
1,
2,
Thank you.
3.
ah! Oh no, I lost my dumpling. Ah!
Hello. Hi. I'm a customer.
Oh, hi, I love your horse. Eggs or some dumplings?
Horse, stop. Okay, go, horse.
No.
Is our teak okay?
Ew.
Want me to lick it?
Can you check if it has frostbite? Because that hurts.
No, Daddy's knees hurt.
It's just pink. You're okay. You live to see another day.
Can you?
It's a park day, apparently. It's like 30 degrees and snowing. But here we are. It's flurrying, that's for sure. Go, Dusty, go! Woo! Good job! Great!
Hello.
What? Is she color changing?
It's color. It's darker.
Oh my god.
Jocelyn, the baby's hair changed color. It's darker.
How did we not know she's color changed? Well, that's cool.
Change in the cold?
Apparently.
Might be like a cold water thing.
Yeah.
Water thing?
Yeah.
Water thing?
Yeah.
Water thing?
Yeah. Holy cow! How did that happen?
I'm gonna go back on the side.
Oh my god!
Okay, let's pick your feet up off the ground.
Sorry.
Been a very in like a lion, out like a lamb, but mostly a lion kind of march. It's been cold. We had like
I don't want to
couple days of warm.
Like a week.
Like a week of warm.
You don't have to. Let mommy
And the
do her
rest of the
thing.
days are like bitter cold.
Yeah, and it's been pretty bitter cold. So
We're
we're looking forward to it actually being spring. Ah! Oh, he's doing a pretty good job pushing both of you. Ah! Yep. I forgot your collar.
Oh my god. I'm crouching.
Ouch. Oh. Ow. It's really skinny.
Okay, are you ready? Go.
She wants to go with me.
Hold on, that way quicker. Let me get back up.
Hey, Dad, I feel like I should trade. Nope, she's gonna do it anyway. Okay. Whew, serious trust.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready? Go.
We're really slow.
Jocelyn, you're a child. You keep leaving.
She just like throws her down the slide and then walks away.
She's like, oh, it's okay. You'll be okay there.
My foot's turning as well, John.
There you go. I'll put my phone on baby.
Okay. Amanda's going to climb again for the first time in 8 years.
What are you doing?
There she goes. Look at that form.
I didn't lose it.
So don't grab the yellow thing. Well. Oh. Oh. All right, now Emma's gonna do it. You can do it, Emma.
Hard.
Just use your. Okay. Well, look, Jossie's gonna do it. All right, Daddy's gonna do it. No hands.
Oh, Daddy's gonna be so successful.
You want to pass the vlog?
And your
I'll hold the
copy.
I'll hold the camera.
Okay.
That
Here we
would
go.
be a good idea.
What the heck?
Okay, that's straight up. So much.
Oh, it's all upper body.
See, they're so small, it's so hard to get up
Here,
on.
I'll help you. Give me the vlog.
Oh, we did it. We did it, everybody.
Woohoo!
Now in a survival movie, I know I won't survive because there's lots of people.
You did it. Hi, Joss. You rock climbing? Good try.